15 time-saving hacks you wish you knew sooner. Life gets busy, and let's face it, we all wish we had more hours in the day. Whether you're juggling work, school, or family, these 15 time-saving hacks will help you get more done, feel less stressed, and free up time for what really matters. Let's dive in. Hack 1. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up. Hack 2. Batch similar tasks. Group similar tasks together to maintain focus. For example, answer all your emails at once. Or, meal prep for the week in one go. Hack 3. Use the Pomodoro technique. Work for 25 minutes, then take a 5-minute break. This keeps you productive without burning out. Hack 4. Digital declutter. Organize your digital life. Unsubscribe from unnecessary emails and create folders for important files. Hack 5. Automate what you can. Use technology to save time. Set up automatic bill payments or use apps to schedule social media posts. Hack 6. Use keyboard shortcuts. Keyboard shortcuts can save you hours in the long run. Learn the ones for your most used programs. Hack 7. Prep the night before. Set out your clothes, pack your bag, and write down your to-do list before going to bed. Hack 8. Say no more often. Protect your time by saying no to tasks or commitments that don't align with your priorities. Hack 9. Turn off notifications. Constant alerts can disrupt your flow. Turn off non-essential notifications. Hack 10. Use voice commands. Voice commands for your devices can speed up tasks like setting reminders or searching online. Hack 11. Keep a done list. Track what you've accomplished to stay motivated and plan better. Hack 12. Time block your day. Plan your day in blocks of time dedicated to specific tasks. This keeps you on track. Hack 13. Outsource when possible. Delegate tasks to others, whether it's hiring help or asking family to pitch in. Hack 14. Use dead time wisely. Listen to audiobooks or podcasts during commutes or while doing chores. Hack 15. Reflect and adjust. At the end of each week, review what worked and what didn't. Adjust your approach to maximize efficiency. There you have it. 15 time-saving hacks that can transform your day. Which one will you try first? Let us know in the comments. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips to make life easier. Thanks for watching.